Marketing manufacturing leaders, you're going to love our upcoming webinar. The rise of B2B digital buying behavior has dramatically shifted the balance between sales and marketing. This is a seismic shift.
It's huge, and if you don't think it's happening to you, you're not paying attention. If you look at your funnel and you see, wow, we're losing a lot of leads, that's another sign that you're not reading the digital body language of your audience.
From a marketing perspective, the cultural changes, needing to focus on the customer first before benefits and features of your product. How can we create scaled conversations with those customers that we're seeking to engage with and give them meaningful information?
If you're not investing in the technology and being thoughtful about linking it to your strategy, you're leaving money on the table.
There's so much to unpack there. I'm excited to host this conversation.
That I'm feeling it. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We'll have a lot more conversation, good insights, and great best practices at our upcoming webinar.